I remember watching in many Bollywood movies, the lead actor drinks some alcohol and he tries to influence, goes and dares to ask the lead actress to marry him. It's a common myth amongst the people that a little alcohol can give you a dare to approach things without fear. A question I saw on Quora: why can't I speak English fluently when I'm not drunk? And somebody answered to this question this way: alcohol lessens the inhibitions. In other words, you just stop caring about others' judgment. And whether your accent is proper and if you have used the correct words, correct grammar, words just flow out freely and you become fluent automatically. When you are not drunk, you second guess every phrase, every word you are uttering, and wonder if there's a bigger, fancier word you could use. Sometimes you worry about what people think, whether your language is somewhat like vernacular, and your RAM becomes preoccupied in the background processes, and ultimately your speech becomes slower and less influenced. And this fluency is not exactly as the same as being grammatically correct after being drunk. Sometimes an odd grammatical error might go unnoticed only because you are speaking with confidence. Another answer was that because after drinking, inner frustration comes outside. The condition or hesitation of not being able to speak English fluently. So this hesitation goes off and it becomes possible to express all the thoughts and emotions. People just run out of words normally, and after drinking, no words will remain the same. Sometimes new words are invented in the process, and then the person doesn't care about whether he is speaking correct or not. He just doesn't worry about anything, and at that time they complete our will of speaking English. Their inner wish comes out. Also, some people speak English to show the standards while drinking. Research also shows that alcohol helps you speak a foreign language better. It has been shown that a beer or a glass of wine can lower your inhibitions. Sometimes it may make it easier for some people to overcome the nervousness, the fear, and alcohol has also been shown to impair the cognitive and motor functions. Sometimes it may negatively affect the memory and attention, and also leads to overconfidence and inflated self-confidence or self-evaluations if taken in larger quantities. So the question was raised about this and the research was conducted. Do people really speak non-native languages better after drinking? So this study was conducted on 50 native Germans who were already taught Dutch, and each person was asked to have a casual 2-minute conversation with a interviewer. That was in Dutch language. Before that chat, half of them were given water to drink, and while the other half were given some alcoholic beverage. So the evaluation, the native Dutch speakers rated those people in the alcohol group as having better fluency, and specifically they were having better pronunciation than those of the water group. So now the authors pointed out that the dose of alcohol tested in the study was low, and that higher consumptions, suppose the group people might have taken higher consumption, it would not have produced the beneficial effects. So they write in the paper that drinking too much can have the exact opposite effect on the fluency. Even it could lead to slurred speech. And because the people in the study knew that what they were drinking, again there was some kind of controversy. It was not possible to know whether their speech improved just because of the alcohol's biological effects or it was just a psychological effect. Previous studies had shown that people who think that they are drinking alcohol can experience similar levels of impairment as those drinking the real thing. So that's called as placebo effect. So just there was a controversy about this. But again in 1972 a study was undertaken, small doses of alcohol, which showed that it improved the Americans' pronunciation of words in Thai language. So the author said that there is a possibility that low or moderate amounts of alcohol can decrease the language anxiety and may lead to increased proficiency. So foreign language speakers can speak the language in more proficiency, especially a foreign language, under the influence of small amount of alcohol. My perspective is that this is just a myth and it's a state of mental condition which increases the confidence, and it is necessary to take the first step just to speak, and then the language flows smoothly. You have to just release the blockage or open the tightly closed lid on your intellect to release the fear. And if you want to speak any foreign language, first you have to take the first initiative to learn it. After learning, then speak it. Even if you are having less confidence, increase your confidence and speak it, even if with errors. That will make you more proficient in the long term. This is Dr. Rajeshwari Rapata signing off until we meet again with a new topic.